Muzata.
Muzata cable hanging series is ideal for lots of home hanging applications, especially for outdoor hanging. Since all the components are made of stainless steel or aluminum, which are all rust proof, we are going to show you how to install them later. We can use it to hang string light for wedding and Christmas parties, outdoor clotheslines, indoor decorations like photo wall. The eyelag screw could be screwed into wood or trees. Ferrules and clamps are used to fix cable end. The turnbuckle could be adjusted to tension the cable. Vinyl-coated cable is better on anti-wearing performance. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. We provide two ways to fix the cable. Use cable clamps or ferrules. If you like the tie to be detachable, you could use cable clamps. Otherwise, use ferrules to get better fastness. We will show you how to use ferrules later. Ferrule is another way to fix cable which have better appearance and fastness than cable clamp. You could also use a hammer to swage the ferrule if you don't have any crimper tool. We also provide cable cross clamps, with which you could easily bind two cable line together and lock them in fixed position with specific angle. CN03 is fit for 90-degree lock. CN04 is capable of 0 to 180-degree lock. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.